allegiance and my commitment to the peace agreement we signed in August. We believe that this agreement is the only way forward for the people of South Sudan to experience and undergo stability, peace, security, and unity of their ranks and file. In this regard also, on our side as Cholo members in IO, we seize also the opportunity to express our full support and unwavering support for Comrade General Taban Dengai, SPLM IO negotiator and Minister of Mining, to assume the responsibility in the absence of Dr. Riek Machar. We are now cut off from contact. We don't have any contact with him. Almost the last time I talked to him, it was almost 10 days ago. And we cannot also remain while waiting for unknown to happen. We are abided by the agreement, and we are committed to implement this peace agreement, presence or in absence of Dr. Riek Machar. The agreement is the only Bible we have at present time to at least arrest the ongoing political crisis in South Sudan. We believe that with the support of President Kiir and with our support to General Taban Dengai, we will manage to go and arrive to the beautiful shore. We are not talking about the position of Riek Machar. We are now talking about that we need to implement this agreement, that we have also alternative for Riek Machar. The agreement is not about individual persons. It is about the spirit of the provisions of the agreement and the letter of the agreement itself. It is in Pagak who nominated Riek Machar to that post of first vice president. And it is the same IOC members to nominate in the absence of Riek Machar. By the way, we want to tell the community, the international community and the region, that now we have been left the way Prophet Moses abandoned the people of Israel after they crossed to Sinai. We are not like the people of Israel. We have the Bible, we have the agreement. That is why we are following the agreement. And the agreement is very clear. The vacancy of the first vice president and the absence of the first vice president are well spelled out by the agreement.
The government of Gobrial State has reiterated its readiness to promote peace, unity and service delivery to the communities in the state. Governor Abraham Gum made the appeal during his visit to